Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a TikTok's ad manager account and business center account, alright? So both of this ad manager account and business center account is similar, so you don't have to create a separate account, alright? You just need to go to a website of TikTok in order to do that. And from this account, you can launch ads on TikTok, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step is you want to search for business TikTok. After you search for business TikTok, you want to go to this URL which says business.tiktok.com. Make sure it says business.tiktok.com and click on TikTok Business Center. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the business website of TikTok, and over here to create yourself a new account, click on create new at the top right corner, and it's gonna take you to the account creating page. Once you're over here, enter your email address, and then you need to create a password for your account. After you create a password, enter the password again to confirm it. Then click on send code, and a verification code is gonna be sent to your email. But before that, you need to verify yourself, alright? So after verifying you're a human and clicking on send code, a code will be sent to your mail. So go to your mail to check the code. So I've received my code, so I'm gonna type my code over here. If you type the code, click on this, click on sign up. If the code and the password you entered is correct, then your account will be created for TikTok business, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create yourself an account for TikTok business. After you create an account, now you can name your business center. So you need to name it. So I'm gonna write a name. My time zone, I'm just gonna choose a random one. I'm gonna click on create. Okay, so I need to create a unique name, so this should be unique. And as you guys can see, my account is created just like that. It's that simple. So hit that like and subscribe. Bye bye.